How to make your Facebook account completely private. Welcome back everyone to this new guide video of How to Guide. If you want to increase your privacy of your Facebook, then in this video let me show you how you can manage a couple of settings. Now within the Facebook app there is an option of locking your Facebook profile. This option may or may not be available for everyone. So if it is available for you, you can tap on the profile icon on the top left. Tap on the three dots here besides tools and you'll have an option called profile lock. And you can just toggle that option on and your Facebook will be made private. But if it is not available for you, let me show you a few other settings that you can manage. Tap on the menu on the top right. Scroll down, tap on settings and privacy and tap on settings. Again head over to profile settings and tap on privacy. Through this section you can manage a couple of settings to make your Facebook private. Under your activity you can see there is an option called who can see your future post. You can tap on this option, and if you tap on see more, there are a few other options such as friends accept or specific friends. From here you can only include some of the friends or exclude some of the friends that you don't want to show your post on Facebook. So choose the option depending upon which option you need. And similarly you can also tap on limit who can see past posts. This is an important setting to manage. The people who are not your friends on Facebook, if you tap on limit past posts, they won't be able to see much of the posts that you made previously on Facebook. So you can just tap on limit past posts. Similar to future posts, you can also manage for stories and future reels. And under who can send you friend requests, make sure that you select it to friends of friends. Also you can add these options to only me, which says who can look you up using your email address or your phone number that you added in. Make sure you select them to only me so that other people cannot find you using your email or your phone number. And lastly you can also set this to no, which is do you want search engines outside Facebook to link to your profile. You can just toggle this option off. So this way whenever someone searches up you on Google or some other search engine, your Facebook page or your Facebook profile would not show up on the search result. So that is the way that you can make your Facebook account private. If this video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.